Guys, welcome to another session of Backstage with Ben. We do this every month where we have this little session to give you an update on the latest Bybit product, service, what super juicy campaign we're having. So today I have Kate again. Kate, it's been a while. We haven't seen you.
Yes, I changed my hair.
You changed your hair. You want to tell everyone?
I changed my hair.
Okay, good. So Kate is one of our BD. Also, we have Eric online. See if we can find him.
We've had some technical issues.
Hi everyone, this is Eric, Bybit Financial Product Manager, and glad to join this session. A lot of exciting updates want to share. You should not miss any of them.
If you guys can't hear him, we'll fix it in 1 second.
Can we hear him?
He's extremely important because he's going to be giving us a lot of live product updates today.
All right, let's get the tech team to look at the thing.
Hello, hello.
All right. Cool. Eric, you want an intro? Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
We can hear you.
Okay, good. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is Eric. Glad to join this session. I'm a financial product manager at Bybit, and there are a lot of exciting updates want to share. You should not miss any of them. Thank you.
Exciting.
Awesome. So, all right, let's move along. Today we got some good business update, some product update as well, and then of course some of the event update. And just to kind of remind everyone, we will do a AMA towards the end, or actually when we go along, I'll pick the questions that the audience have. So if you have any questions along any of the things we talk about, the product updates we talk about, you can leave it at the comment, okay? So can I have the screen back to the slides, guys? Yeah. Guys, please follow my pace. Okay, so great. So guys, big celebration. What's the big number?
70 million of users now we have on Bybit, which I Googled before, is bigger than an average European country.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
France has 67 million, UK has 67 million. We have 70 million users on Bybit. We're bigger than European country.
Big,
yes.
Big 70. And I like how they put the pizza.
Yes.
Because the pizza day was new time high for Bitcoin, right, this year.
Right.
It was last week? 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, last week we had the whole week of pizza.
Yeah.
So we'll talk about it later.
Okay, so thanks for all the support. And especially Bybit has been in inception since 2018, and we've been growing, and thanks to all the support from the clients and the partners around the world. And again, of course, we had a incident a few months in the back, but now you can see that our liquidity, our volume has fully bounced back. Again, Bybit is thanks again to your trust. Okay, thank you. Next. All right. So we got some new leaders in the company. I think since about around 6 or 7 sessions, we start to tell everyone about the latest organizational change. Obviously, we have even more changes internally, but for the client-facing, most important client-facing roles, we will let everyone know. And today, we have new country manager joining us from Brazil, as well as a Spanish Latin country manager, okay? So one is Israel, one is Patricio. So let's welcome these, and clients from those regions would meet these guys and through the offline events or the expos and the marketing campaigns. Okay, so looking forward to. So if you guys see them, say hi. Okay, next we'll go to the product updates. Let's go there. Actually got quite a few updates, and today I think Eric will take over on the.
I can talk about this one because I don't think Eric needs to do the demo here. It's a very simple update. This update I'm going to talk about, it's USDC settled futures. We want to align them. So if you guys trade the futures on USDC collateral, you will not be able to find the old version. We used to call it the perp version. So for example, BTC trading with USDC collateral was called BTC perp. Now we're just going to align with the entire company terms and call it BTC USDC. So if you trade on BTC USDT, then the collateral is USDT. But now you will find USDC separate pairs. Like there will be USDT pairs, there will be USDC pairs, and there will be inverse. So you will probably not be, too confused. If you trade USDC, then just look for USDC collateralized perps. That's all. Very easy update.
All right, very good. So next is spread trading is live. So for those clients, if you want to arbitrage on funding fees or in any type of spread trading or hedge trading, previously you kind of need to go to spot or have two windows open, right? And kind of try to click the things at the same time. But now this whole thing is live. This feature is live on the Bybit app. You can do it. We do it automatically, making sure that your entry point is the same. So maybe Eric, you can do a quick demo.
Sure. Yeah, sure. Let's see my app screen. The mobile screen, please.
Here we are. Yep.
Yeah.
It just popped up for a second.
On the mobile screen. Okay, yeah, there it is. So at the homepage, if you click the more and you switch to the trade tab, you will find the spread trading here. And actually, we have launched spread trading last month on the web version. Now the app version also available. So spread trading is a great tool for 2 legs arbitrage. Now we support Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, 3 assets. And for each asset, we support different combos like expiry and perpetual, between expiry and spot, perpetual and spot. So the 2 legs arbitrage contains like futures candidate spread and funding rate arbitrage. The candidate spread has been demoed in our last Backstage with Ben live stream. So today, let's talk about how to use spread trading to do funding rate arbitrage. That is the perpetual and spot. The mechanism behind is usually it is the long position perpetual holders to pay the funding fee to the short holders. So if you buy spot and sell the perpetual, you can make risk-free money on the funding fee payments. And now here is the order placement tab. So if you choose buy, you are buying the perpetual and selling the spot. And if you click on sell, it's the opposite. So each instrument, you can change the leverage. And there are 2 miracles for spread trading. First one is you can make sure all the 2 legs are traded simultaneously. If you take a look at the price on the order book, you can see that it's neither the price of spot nor the perpetual, but instead it is the price difference of perpetual minus spot. So once your order be traded, both legs are traded simultaneously. And the second good thing is we have the 50% fee discount if you use spread trading to do the funding rate arbitrage. So that is how our spread trading works. You can welcome to use this for your 2 legs arbitrage. Okay, let's pass back to Ben.
This is a really good feature, especially when the market is kind of solidifying and move not so much one way, just move up and down a little bit. And if you want to do some spread trading, this is I've known that Bybit offers gold indices trading on MT5. Actually, as of last week, we recently added 78 stocks, global stocks, Apple, Tesla, so now Google. So now you can trade these pairs in MT5. Okay, we are planning to push MT5 into the all-in-one platform, meaning that you won't need to go to MT5 to make this trade, but we will combine it into our existing mobile app. This most likely will happen by end of June. Okay, so stay tuned for that. For the stock that currently offered, I want to make sure everyone knows it is a CFD product, so it is a derivative of the stock, meaning that when you buy you cannot buy and hold. There's no settlement. When you buy the stock, you are predicting the movement of the stock and you make your profit from that, but you actually don't hold the stock. So a lot of clients have come to us and asked this question. So we want to make sure you understand it is a CFD, okay? And of course, there's some bonuses, there's some special discount fee available during this specific period.
Can I ask about the all-in-one platform?
Yeah.
So is it going to be like more like Bybit UX?
Well, it's going to be on the Bybit app.
That's so much better.
So
because...
in the app, you will see you have spot, perps.
Awesome.
And then I think we're going to call it TradFi. So
awesome.
you click TradFi, you have NASDAQ, you have gold, silver, oil, gas, and then the stock. All of them are CFDs.
Because I tried MT5 today. I'm not from traditional finance. I've been crypto all this while, and I'm used to the Bybit interface. And then I tried MT5 and I got completely lost. It looks a little on the older side, if I can say it politically correct. So it was difficult. And if you guys also are used to the Bybit platform more than you're used to MT5, you will highly appreciate all-in-one platform on Bybit, where you will be able to just do the same thing, just open the trades, but with traditional products. Super exciting.
Yeah, okay. All right, next. So the crypto loan have been updated. So I think previously we had isolated loan, kind of isolated margin, no collateral sharing. So the capital efficiency is a bit low, or a single collateral. So now we have unified cross margin on both fixed and flexible loans. So now you can use both to improve your capital efficiency. At the same time, it's share collateral. Okay. So I think maybe it's better for Eric to do a quick demo on the web. Eric.
Okay, sure. So the access point for our crypto loan is and finance crypto loans. And here actually we have the access point for our previous page, and you make easy comparison. You know how much we improve both on the UI and the functions. So now if you go to my dashboard, that is your existing loans, you'll find that. So me, for example, I have a flexible loan on Solana and a fixed term loan on USDT, but there's no like allocated collateral for each of the position. Instead, we have a collateral tab. That is the collateral amount that can be shared among all your flexible and fixed term loan. And also the dashboard shows you the total borrow amount and total collateral, and shows your LTV. That is how much risk you have now. And if you come back to the other placement page, for example, if you want to borrow extra USDT, let's say I want to borrow 100 and add collateral. Actually, if you uncheck this box, it's also fine, because my existing collateral already fully enough to support this new loan. So you see, it allows you to do the trade, even if you don't add more collaterals to your collateral positions. That is how our new unified crypto loan works. Okay, let's pass back to Ben.
Especially useful for spot trading.
Right.
If you need to purchase more the spot pair you like, recently launched, this is really good. All right, we got some questions from the audience. One question about the all-in-one from MT5 to Bybit is going to be a special section. Yes, it will be part of the Bybit existing app. It will just be under a section called TradFi. And then it's same as you currently selecting spot or perp pairs. You just go to TradFi and then you select whatever you want to trade. Okay. Yeah. So also people are asking me about Bybit Pay. Can I explain? So Rita is asking, can I explain about Bybit Pay product? Will there be more option or merchant? So Bybit Pay, we launched this product back in the, I think 6 months ago, first in Brazil. So we connect to Brazil Pix. So for all the Brazil users, well, Pix is kind of like Visa and MasterCard over there. So you go to any places, as long as it support Pix, you can use Bybit Pay to pay directly with the crypto you have on Bybit account. We're expanding these capabilities to more areas. A lot of the jurisdictions we're getting license, payment license to be able to offer the same service. So please stay tuned. Currently, I think is only available in South America. Okay. All right. Well, let's go next. Your favorite. You want to talk about it?
Yeah, I can. So what is Spot Megadrop? New way to earn. So we have a lot of different products that will allow you to get the newly listed tokens before the listing, right before the listing, or straight after the listing. So you can actually bet on the price appreciation when they list. What you used to be able to do is you pay your money upfront, like you pay 100 USDT upfront, and then you get this amount of token. So basically purchase it before the listing. But now with Spot Megadrop, it's a new product that allows you to just get the airdrop of these tokens for completing certain tasks. And the tasks usually include staking USDT or MNT on our Earn product. So you can stake up to 100K, which is a lot more than any other company, I think, offers right now. So you can stake up to 100K in like US dollar value. And then you can also complete some tasks before the mega drop finishes and the token is launched. So you can basically get more chances to get bigger allocation and then enjoy the price appreciation. So the second mega drop we're doing right now is EDLE, if I pronounce it correctly, EDLE. We did the OBOL before. It was pretty successful. So now if you want to check out the EDLE airdrop, you can still stake your money on 30-day period with us. So you will get 2.5% APY, I think, up to 3% APY. Plus, if you do some spot trading tasks, usually I think it's spot trading volume task, then you can multiply your points, which then will give you higher allocation of this token before the listing, which is extremely important. So check it out. It's still running. I think it's actually ended today, maybe, but next one is coming soon. So if you lock your money for 30 days, you don't have to unlock it. It will be still locked, but the new mega drop coming within this 30 days will already have your automatic staking in, so you don't even have to worry. You're already participating next time, even if you didn't have to stake your money again. So this is pretty cool. Check it out. I did stake some money and I received some airdrops. So yeah, check it out. It's a nice new feature.
Okay, great. So the next product we want to talk about is actually recently been quite popular. It's the private wealth management, private wealth management, PWM, what we call it, right? PWM, yeah. So this product has exceeded 140 in AUM. Essentially, if you are a client with more than, I believe, 5 million in asset, our account manager will reach out to you and design a tailored kind of private wealth management product for you based on your demand. If you say, okay, I want to, I need the cash in 2 months. I have more in Bitcoin. I have some in Solana, but the Solana is I want to be locked for maybe 1 month. But you can list all your demand, and we will figure out a kind of a tailor-made solution for you. And once that product is made, it will be released to your phone, to your app, and you just click on invest, and then you can participate and subscribe.
I think it was 1 million, though. You mentioned 5, it's 1 million.
1 million, yeah, 1 million,
1 million.
In asset value. Okay. So this, if you are a VIP client of Bybit, we have reached out. If you haven't been reached out, you can reach out to our support and request more product detail on the private wealth management. Okay. Very good. All right, so next, you want to talk about this?
Yeah, well, if you are a VIP again, at least VIP 1, I think you can participate in our events. We keep running events for VIPs. We used to do big ones like twice a year before, but now we segregated to smaller events in different locations. You need to check out our page. If you're located in Brazil, for example, you can check out what we have in Brazil or Dubai or any other regions that would have teams organizing this kind of events. It should be fun because we usually talk about trading or talk about the products you might not know about and how you can basically increase your money without much risk. So please check it out if you're a VIP client, and we will see you in any of those locations mentioned on the page.
Yeah, so it's launched now, an offline kind of crypto event page. And this year we're going to really do more offline event to meet our clients face to face, to collect more feedback from you so we know how to improve our product and services. Okay, next. All right, so for our P2P and Fiat is obviously very important for many regions of the client. We've recently added more support, more currencies. You can see Mexican peso, you can see IDR, you can see a lot more pairs and currencies being added into our P2P and Fiat channels. So if you're from those regions, please check it out. Again, you can raise out requests if we don't support you in these regions. So how we work is we collect the client's feedback. If you find out there's one region or one country we still haven't covered, we would like to hear from you, and then we can add those support to support your region. Okay, very good. Next. Cool. All right, so what we talked about just now is Bybit Pay, where we launched in Brazil, right? However, we've added a new feature. Currently can be used for any users globally. It's essentially an internal transfer, but with the QR code. So if you have a QR code and you met someone or a merchant who has a QR code, you can click on receive, and then you can use Bybit, our app, to scan and then basically make the transfer. Okay. Eric, let's do a quick demo. Do we have a quick demo?
Let's see my app screen. Okay, so at the homepage, if you click more and switch to the Finance tab, and the Finance, you will find the Bybit Pay access point. So here we have the send and the receive. If you click the send, you can send your funds by email, by phone number, or by Bybit ID. And for the receive function, so it will help you provide a QR code for your sender. And also, you can specify which asset and how much amount you want. You can leave you can also leave a reason why what this payment is for. So it's very convenient for you to do the between Bybit transfer. That's it. Let's turn back to Ben.
Right. So if you don't want to open the app, you are not ready to open your app right now, you forgot your 2FA or whatever, you can just screenshot it and just use it anywhere. Right, Eric?
Yeah.
How about merchants? Because what I also heard that a lot of B2B, like a lot of businesses would use these QR codes to receive payments from the clients. If it's like a retail shop, they don't want to use, they can accept crypto and they can use this also as a payment methods for their products or services, right?
Yeah, actually, it's great, very convenient for between Bybit users, and especially when you don't bring your phone or whatever, the Wi-Fi is not good. So it's very convenient.
If you're a merchant, you printed out the QR code, you can obviously receive money. Yeah. So.
But why not?
You could.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's I hope.
Yeah, because because I think because we have some merchants on the app on Bybit Pay that are already partnering with us, and they offer the products through our app.
Yeah.
So you can buy certain just physical products with them through Bybit app with Bybit Pay. So that is one important thing. You can actually, it's like a marketplace within the app.
Yeah. Okay, so we got some questions. One of the clients asking, are there any subscription fees for crypto lens, the AI feature? No, currently is fully free, so you can use the AI, the lens to give you a full analysis of the Bybit, whatever token you're trying to do some research. So we're actually gonna do a revamp of the whole TradeGPT and merge the lens and all the other features into one. So you don't have to select, and we kind of, you just ask the AI whatever you want, and it will give you kind of the analysis. Well, another user is asking, is it suitable for beginners? It is, because it provides you an overall description of the project, the founders, the team, the tokenomics. So it's quite useful. Okay. Some other questions. Is Bybit available in India? Bybit Pay. Currently, Bybit Pay is not available in India, but hopefully we'll make it available soon. Okay. All right, let's go. What's next? Oh, campaigns. Okay, I'll leave Kate to it. Okay.
We will be talking about campaigns right now, and last week was a big week for pizza day, but we did it a week. So from 17th to 25th of May, we will be eating carbs all day long. And if you are located in any of the locations where we have offices, you could have visited us as well and eat pizza with us and get a little fatter. I just saw Eric eating 3 pieces of pizza. I think that, I hope it's not leftover from last week. But please check out the page where you can see our offices, because if we do campaigns like this, like Pizza Week, you can actually come. It's not for employees. It's not for some special, VIP people only. You can always come and hang out with us and eat pizza. Like that was one thing. We did it in 7 regions: Vietnam for Mandarin-speaking regions, Dubai, Turkey, Sri Lanka, Netherlands, and Indonesia. So please keep in touch with our announcements, and maybe if you want to visit, we will be waiting for you. Next one will be on Bybit Card. Somebody asked about the AI lens. So this is not the same, but if you are a very active user of AI products like ChatGPT Pro or Gemini or Claude Pro and stuff like that, now you have a chance to redeem your first month's subscription cost if you apply for Bybit Card. So if you don't have Bybit Card yet, you can go and apply, and then you can apply for the card, get virtual approval pretty easily, actually. The physical cards might not be available in every region, but virtual cards are pretty easy to get. You'll get it as soon as the approval is done, usually maybe an hour, not more. And then you can go and subscribe for eligible AI products. Like if you want to go for ChatGPT, you pay with your card, and the payment for the first month will be waived. So you can see on Bybit Card page all the available AI products, and you can subscribe to all of them, and they will be free for you for the first month, which is cool. Love it. Then another thing you want to note that we have Google Pay and Apple Pay for most of the cards now. So if you don't receive a physical card, you can always tie it up to Google Pay or Apple Pay, and you can use it anytime. That is important and very fun. I like AI products. Next. We already talked about Golden FX. If you're a new user on Bybit, and maybe you are the traditional trader or investor and you are familiar with MT5, we have some bonuses for you now. So if you sign up and use MT5 now for Golden FX, you can receive up to 1,100 USDT of credit that you can use for trading or fees or your losing trades, basically 1,500. So the first deposit, you will get 100% credit, which is cool. So you deposit $100, you get $100 of credit, so it's $200, very nice. And additional deposits, if you deposit additional money, you get up to, you get 20% credit up to $1,000 in USDT. So if you're a new user from traditional finance, this is for you. Also, if you use the copy trading on FX, which is extremely difficult for me, but I will read from the screen. First time copy trading will give you also the zero loss trade if you don't know the product, if you are just trying out and you're using copy trading on MT5 Golden FX. The first losing trade of $100 will be waived, so you are not losing any money. So it will be maybe easier for you to try it out. and we will cover the cost for you. That's all. Next. Now, for our VIP users, if you don't know, we have the weekly airdrop. We had it before, and if you're a VIP user, if you don't know, then you know now. So every week we run a task system with lucky draw, where if you trade, you get the tickets, and then you can win up to $8,888. It used to be done only once. So if you, for example, trade 5 million in trading volume, you can only get one ticket. Now you can do it, there's no limitation. So you basically can trade as much as you want, and you'll be getting tickets based on the tasks. So if you don't know about this function and you casually trade 20 million a week, maybe if you're a casual rich person, so please just subscribe to this and it will give you very good cash back. Basically, you keep trading the way you're trading, you register in this event, and then you can get nice bonuses back. So that's all for VIP weekly airdrop. And now, special episode giveaway. First come, first serve, red packet dropped on screen during live. How do we even do this? What do we do?
They will drop it.
So you guys, how does it work? They will drop it, and then they have to.
It's been dropped now. Basically.
Oh, okay.
They will see it on the screen. Yeah. Well, but you have to. You have to be watching the AMA from the Bybit app.
Right.
It's a feature within the Bybit app. So when you open the app, you can see the live stream on the app, and you get the airdrop red pocket function. Okay.
So if you're not on the app, go ahead, open it up, and we will give you some money for staying with us until the end. But we also have a lot of questions that we wanted to answer. So if you guys still have questions, you can drop it in the comment section. But we got some questions here. Please launch Bybit Shop so that users can buy Bybit merchandise. I love this question.
Okay.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Nobody
I think
has this.
A lot of clients have been asking about the Bybit merchandise. I think it's in the pipeline for the Bybit Pay service. But again, a lot of the merchandise we make is give out for free through campaigns, through events. So stay tuned for these events. You get some merch. Okay.
Honestly, there is a lot on.
They make even different region makes crazy different type of merch. I've never seen them before. Last time they made some even for I think for mainland for Asia they made mahjong. These little things. And then they made suitcases and for some other it was really cool.
Like poker sets and all of that. A lot of different.
Okay, so let's get to the questions. One of the clients is, can I recover my MT5 account if I lost the password?
It's pretty easy.
Yes, you go to your members area and you reset your MT5 password.
Yeah.
As long as you can log into Bybit, you'll be able to set it from your members area in Bybit on the web or the web or the app. Okay.
But if you're lost, you can always go to help.bybit.com and just use the search button there. Because if you can't find it, by yourself, help.bybit.com has everything, all the information for beginners, advanced users. So I myself, because I didn't know how to use MT5, I was on Help Bybit page and I just checked. All the information is there. So if you're lost, you can always go to that page.
Yeah. We got some more questions on MT5. People asking how do we protect them from the gold price volatility? Well, when we connect the MT5, all of your gold orders goes through the MT5 into a liquidity provider. And again, when you trade, we advise you to always set stop loss and take profit. In fact, to avoid the risk. And in fact, gold has been moving quite a bit recently, right? But again, this is why a lot of clients are into it, interested in trading gold because of the volatility. Especially when crypto is not moving so much, gold become quite attractive. Yeah. Okay, so anything else? Let's see.
Other initiatives to improve the Learn section with real-time tutorials, trading strategies, or risk management tools. What I can say from my side is that if you are the member of our communities, we have Telegram channels for every region on every language you speak. And then, for example, for CIS region, we have ambassadors who actually do Bybit like exchange approved lectures on risk management, on different trading strategies and all sorts of things. But also, if you access some product page for the first time, a lot of the times we'll have the video pop-ups, right? So yeah, I think we.
One of the clients asking, can we add a pencil function on the app? We have a pencil function, I believe. Eric, can you do a quick demo on the app to show our client where to use the pencil to draw a line?
Yeah, sure. Let's see my app.
Go
So this is your trade page, and on the upper right corner, there's a pencil, and here, so you can easily find the tools that you want to use, right?
Yeah.
And also
yeah. One of the feedback also from our clients is when they use some indicator or some basic drawings on the web, they want to see it be synced on the app. Now this feature is being deployed very soon. So for basic drawing patterns that you draw when you on the web, we will try to push it to the app. However, it won't push both ways. It will only push from web to app, and then I think we were designing a push button, so you have to push the savings into your app. But when you change something on the app and you shut it down, it won't sync and push back to the web because there's a bit time delay, and sometimes you close the app, we don't know which one you want, right? So, but again, if you are for other top, I think 20 indicator we will support from the web to the app, and you can click on push because most people have the habit of drawing and doing on the website and then push it to the phone.
Yeah.
We think the other way around is not so much requested. So that's why we prefer we design it that way. Okay. All right, guys. So I think that's a wrap to another session of Backstage with Ben and Kate. We'll see you next month, end of next month, to give you another round of updates on AMA. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.